What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be installing new speakers on the car. Just had one blowout. It sucks, but I think it's time for an upgrade anyway. I went on the website Crutchfield, and I went ahead and got some kicker speakers. The kit includes the mounting brackets, the wiring, like little harness dongle thing. All that was kind of free with like the package because you kind of need that. But I'm gonna go show you guys how to take off the door cards, take off everything like that, and go ahead and get started on this install. So without any further ado, go ahead and roll that intro and we'll get started. Actually, in a couple hours because it's cold, wet, and foggy. So yeah, go ahead and roll that intro. I think also the next video I'm going to do is going to be a review on these Corbo seats. I don't think I did a full review. I've had them on the car for a few months already. But I'm going to go ahead and do a review on these seats right there. It's really weird recording because people just think I talk to a camera all day, but I'm talking to the audience. Hopefully you guys can hear that. Okay, so from Crutchfield, we got the adapter. If you guys want to go ahead and pause that, this is exactly what that is, and this is the part number, I believe. This is the wiring harness. It says fits Ford and Mazda. This is the part number. Go ahead and pause that. And the meat and potatoes is the speakers. So the speakers I got is the Kicker DSC 760. You guys want to go ahead and pause that? Write that down if you guys want to do this replacement. Looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and first start off by getting the door cards taken off. So let's go ahead and figure that out. Go ahead and open up this door so you guys can kind of see what we're doing. So basically there are a couple of screws right here on the bottom. One right here. You guys can see that. One right here. And then 1, 2. And then there's a bunch of clips that go all the way around the door. And then there's also a little nut behind here. That's dirty, sorry. And then there's a nut behind here. So we have to take off this, that, and then the bottom screws, and then pop everything off around here. And there's some cables. Not cables, but there's some like pigtails that you got to disconnect. And there is a way to take off this to just take this whole thing off. Oh, but yeah, let's go ahead and get that done. So went ahead and removed the like little bezel right here. There is the bolt that you need, and then there is the little pick tool that we need to get and remove that little plate. There is a bolt back there, and like I said, the ones that are on the bottom. After that, this will come straight up, and then we can get to little one bolt that holds this in together, so we can just go ahead and take off the whole door card. Okay, we are working on the driver's side now, and the best way to remove your door handle, there is that little like nut right there. There's gonna be a nut on that. Go ahead and take that out, squeeze that clip right there, and there's one on the bottom, and it should pop right out. And then just remove all the other stuff that needs to be removed. I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so basically, if you're doing this application with the adapter that I mentioned earlier, I suggest getting these screws. Go ahead and take a picture of that. because the screws that they provide you with do not fit. Yes, this looks a little bit janky, but it's okay. But go ahead and use those screws. I'm not putting that little cover plate on that comes with it. The way you take off your door and everything is the same way you do a reverse. But we'll go ahead and play a song later on, well, at the end of the video, and so you can hear the sound quality. Those of you guys who do have a stock S550 kind of know the sound of your stock S550 speaker system, but we're going to go ahead and put this all together and play some tunes that is going to get copyrighted, but it's going to be okay. So I'll catch you guys all in a second. Alright, the installation is now done. Let me go ahead and turn off my AC. And I have a CD in the car. Don't ask me why I have a CD. But let's go ahead and listen to it, even though I'm going to get copyright struck. But I just want you guys to know that the sound is way better than the stock one, or stock set. So let's go ahead and turn it up a little bit. Hold on. That's at 20. I mean, when it was on 20 for like the stock speakers, it sounded horrible. But I mean, that's the install. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, hit that bell icon to be notified when my videos do come out. I do have another one, like I said, about these Corbo seats. Sorry about the audio. I went back and forth from my microphone to my regular phone camera. So now I need to clean out the car. It's really messy. I have clothes in the back. And I'm watching this guy right here, probably gonna die. It's all good. But, yes, thank you guys all for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful holidays. This video should be out Sunday. With all that being said, guys, hopefully you guys have a great New Year's too as well. And maybe New Year's will be another video, or maybe I'll wait about a week after for this Corbo seat review. So, once again, guys, stay focused, be safe. I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Peace out.